Hello everyone. Welcome to our portrait photography tutorial and learn some practical and interesting portrait photography techniques. When we take up our camera or smartphone, the first thing we should consider is what direction or location to take. This is the first problem in shooting. Today, our special guest, Han, will show you how to shoot from different directions and angles. Hello, Han.
Hello everyone.
How should we choose the right direction and angle? Generally speaking, the angle and direction in shooting refer to the change of position. Now we will show you more about this in the tennis and volleyball courts. First, I'll introduce different shooting directions. We can shoot from the front, side, and back. Now let's look at how to shoot from the front. Please stand in the middle. The front is the most common shooting position. Shooting from the front can produce a solemn and stable composition, but stable lines and the symmetrical structure lack perspective, making the picture look dull. Sometimes the three-dimensional effect can't be achieved because the subject's different parts are exposed to similar light. Okay, please put on a few more poses. Now I'll shoot from the side. We can show the side of the person from this angle. Very good. Shooting from the side means the photographer should stand at a position vertical to the subject. This angle shows the typical side image of the subject and the side contour of the subject, so that the images can be diversified. Now turn your body toward me and look aside. Very good. Next, I'll shoot from the back. That means the camera should face the back of the subject. This angle shows the features of the subject's back, or how the subject looks from behind. You may ask, what can we shoot? From the back, we can't see the face from this angle, and facial features will be missed. In fact, when we shoot from the back, we can also present the features of the subject. Now I'll show you how to achieve this. Please turn around. Okay, move forward slowly. Yes, okay, stop and turn around. All right, okay, I'll take one. Behind the net. Okay, turn to me a little more. Here I need to mention that no matter where the person faces, generally, there should be more space in front of him or her, because it can reveal the direction of the picture. Keep your back toward me and look aside. Good. Could you turn your head a bit more? Yes, that's good. Take it. Apart from the shooting direction, we also need to consider how to hold our equipment. We can hold it horizontally and vertically. The two holding ways correspond to banner composition and vertical composition. Now I'll shoot pictures in the two ways of composition. Move forward slowly while throwing the ball. If you shoot with a smartphone, it's easy to switch between the two composition ways. In most smartphones, the shutter button is designed on the right side, so that your finger can fall on it intuitively. That's very convenient for shooting horizontally. But when we take a portrait, we usually use vertical composition. More than 70% of portraits, no matter what the theme is, are taken in vertical composition. So generally speaking, we often need to hold the smartphone vertically. Now I'll introduce how to choose the shooting view. We can choose the eye-level view, the top view, or the looking up view. Let's see what effect they can achieve. I'll take a wide-angle shot in the eye-level view. This view means we use the eye level of the subject as the baseline. Putting the camera at this height is imitating how we see things in our daily life. The view is relatively stable. The sense of life it produces makes the picture look natural. Now I'll take the looking up view. Okay, look up. To take this view, we need to hold the camera at an obliquely upward angle. The view is mostly used for shooting tall objects. It can make the subject appear taller and optimize the proportion of the whole body. When we take full-body photos of women, this shooting view can highlight their long legs and good body shape. In a good portrait, the person should be highlighted, so we need to choose a clean background. If we use the top view, for example, if we stand on a tall place or ask the model to sit down or lie down, we can make the picture cleaner. I'll shoot in this way. Please sit on the ground. All right, okay. When shooting in this way, we need to leave some space. To make the picture more stretched, the top view can make one's face look small, so it's suitable for shooting girls. When we take a full-body picture, we often use a wide-angle lens, so we should be careful not to distort the face. Try not to put the person at the edge of the picture. Okay, good. We've learned about the shooting view and direction. In practical work, we also need to take the environment into consideration, no matter what shooting view and direction we take. Now I'll give you a summary of this course. Shooting directions include the front, the back, and the side. The shooting equipment can be held horizontally or vertically. Shooting views include the eye-level view, the top view, and the looking-up view. If you think the pictures you take are monotonous, it's advisable to shoot the same scene in each of the 8 ways we mentioned. I believe the pictures you take will be more wonderful and appealing